Everyone thinks the best-selling dashcam for truckers is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Turun-Sol 4K Dashcam. First up is the Turun-Sol 4K plus 4K Dashcam. Honestly, what caught my attention was its dual 4K recording capability, and at $165.23, it's positioned as a solid option. If you want unmatched clarity and coverage for your truck, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual 4K cameras capture both front and rear footage in stunning detail, allowing you to identify a license plate from a decent distance. With a 170-degree wide angle, you're getting comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, which is crucial for truckers who want to ensure they're protecting their investment. Plus, it comes with a free 128GB memory card, so you're good to go right out of the box. The built-in GPS feature records your speed and location, making it easier to prove your side of the story in case of an incident. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, you should be fine. Most truckers prefer a reliable setup, and once it's in, it works great. This is perfect for you if you want high-resolution footage and reliable GPS. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-simple plug-and-play experience, but for the value, it packs a lot of features. Now, if the Turun-Sol's installation process bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam. At the same price of $165.23, this one features some really advanced tech. If you want a dashcam that excels in low-light conditions, this is definitely worth your attention. What's really impressive about this Rove model is its Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which provides exceptional image quality, especially at night. This means you can clearly capture details even in dimly lit environments. With a front camera that records in 4K and a rear camera in 1080p, you're not just getting quality, you're also getting a wide 150-degree plus 140-degree view. This is crucial for truckers, as it helps to capture a broader view of the road, and the built-in GPS adds a layer of evidence gathering with speed and location data. However, some users have mentioned that the app can be a bit finicky at times. Product number 3, Red Tiger F7NP Dashcam. Up next, we have the Red Tiger F7NP Dashcam. Priced the same at $165.23, this one is packed with features that are particularly beneficial for larger vehicles. If you need reliable night vision, this is one to consider. The F7NP features a Starvis 2 sensor, which really enhances the night vision capabilities, allowing you to capture clearer details in low-light situations. The 4K front and 1080p rear recording is excellent for capturing those crucial moments, and the 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures that you won't miss a thing on the road. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi means you can download videos at lightning speed, which is really convenient for truckers who are often on the go. However, some users reported issues with the app connectivity. Honestly, that can be annoying, but with the quality of the recordings and the ease of use in other areas, I think it balances out. This is perfect for you if you often drive at night or in low visibility. Skip this one if you're looking for a dashcam without any tech hiccups, but it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different with even broader coverage, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Turun-Sol 3-channel Dashcam. Next, we have another Turun-Sol model, their 4K dashcam front and rear with a full HD cabin camera. This one's priced at $127.10, and if you're looking for comprehensive coverage, this might just be your best bet. What stood out to me is the ability to record in 3 channels, front, rear, and cabin, making it ideal for truckers who want to capture both the outside action and what's happening inside the cab. The 4K front camera, paired with the rear and cabin cameras recording in 1080p, really gives you a complete picture of your travels. Plus, the built-in GPS will tag your location and speed, providing essential evidence during incidents. Some people noted that the cabin camera's quality could be better. Here's the thing though, most truckers use it for monitoring, and it does the job well enough. If you need high quality footage of the road, the front camera delivers brilliantly. This is perfect for you if you want all around protection for your truck. Skip this one if you don't need cabin recording, but for the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if you're looking for something that covers even more angles, let's move on to the final product. Product number 5, IWEY N5 Dashcam. Lastly, we have the IWEY N5 Dashcam. Priced at $127.10, this one offers a unique 360-degree view of your surroundings. If you want total situational awareness, this is definitely one to look into. The N5's ability to record in multiple angles, front, rear, and sides, allows you to capture everything happening around your truck. The 170-degree front and rear cameras, along with 150-degree side cameras, give you a near-complete view, which is crucial for larger vehicles. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi means you can easily connect to your smartphone for quick downloads and sharing. However, it's worth noting that this model doesn't have GPS, which some truckers might find limiting. But if you're looking primarily for visual coverage rather than speed and location tracking, this might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want total visibility around your vehicle. Skip this one if GPS tracking is a must-have, but for anyone wanting to capture everything, it's a fantastic option. So there you have it. From the clear footage of the Turan Sol to the night vision of the Rove and the all-around coverage of the IEWay, each of these dash cams offers something unique for truckers. Choose based on what features matter most to you, and happy driving.